A medical device stopped working because of a single connector? Imagine the chaos when a life-saving diagnostic imaging system grinds to a halt. This shocking reality highlights a hidden threat in the medical device industry: the end-of-life, or EOL, notices for critical connectors. An EOL notice means a manufacturer stops producing a crucial component, like a connector. This can lead to production delays, increased costs, and reputational damage. The reasons vary from obsolescence to low demand. For a medical device manufacturer, it's a nightmare scenario that can bring production to a standstill. Facing an end-of-life notice isn't insurmountable. Partnering with a reliable cable assembly provider is key. They can help identify alternative connectors, redesign assemblies, and secure a long-term supply. Exploring newer versions or redesigning the cable assembly ensures continued production and mitigates disruptions effectively. Circuit Assembly, a leader in custom cable assemblies, excels in navigating EOL challenges. Our expertise ensures seamless transitions, maintaining the performance of your medical devices. Like and subscribe for more insights on overcoming industry challenges.